Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a really easy 5-minute bronzy eye look. And the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which is one of my absolute favorite eyeshadow primers. It covers up the redness of your eyelid, and also it will make sure that the eyeshadow will stay in place all day, which is really nice. Then when I'm done with applying that, I'm going in with the Viseart palette. I will put the name of this palette in the description bar. It has a lot of gorgeous warm tone colors and also like some blues and some greens. But I'm starting with this light orangey color, and I'm gonna start with blending this all over my crease. First, I really focused like straight in my crease, and then when there was like enough product, I started blending it a little bit more in my outer V area as well. I want to create like a round shaped effect. So for this, I went in with a bit of a tinier blending brush. I believe this one is by Huda Beauty, the E45, not really sure. And this one is a little bit more flatter and a little bit more precise, so perfect for if you want to like create a more round shape at the outer V of your eyelid. Then now I'm taking a shade which is a little bit darker and a little bit more has like a reddish orangey undertone. Pressing this in the outer V, and then when there's not that much product left anymore, I'm gonna focus a little bit more in my crease. But first I'm really trying to pack as most of this color in my outer V, and then I'm starting blending it more towards the crease area. This is always the trick I do. I think if you followed a lot of my tutorials, you always hear me say that I first pack on the product in the outer V, and then when there's not that much product left, I start blending it more towards my crease. Then I'm taking this more darker brown color, which still is like in that same undertone, but it's a little bit darker. And once again, starting with applying this in the outer V area and then blending it more towards the crease. But I do have to say, I also want this shade to be all over the eyelid, so I didn't really blend like super precisely, especially around the eyelid area, because I wanted to pack on that same color. So I now switched to a MAC 242 brush, and I'm really packing on that eyeshadow all over the eyelid. You can also skip this part of applying this on the eyelid, because I am going in with a different product as well, but I always like to kind of cover up the whole eyelid with something. Then now I'm taking this concealer, and I'm taking a simple blending brush. You can use any blending brush, and I'm just going a little bit around the outer end of my eyelid to make it look a little bit more smooth, a little bit more precise. I really love the effect that it gives. Then now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Matte Metals. I will put the name of the one that I'm using in the description bar. And it's a really beautiful like bronzy warm tone kind of shade. And I'm gonna use this on a brush, like a flat brush, and then I'm gonna apply it directly on the eyelids. And do you see how freaking gorgeous that is? So I apply most product like in the center of my eyelid, and then when there's not that much product left on my brush anymore, I'm going to kind of blend it up slightly upwards towards my crease area. And once I'm doing this, like there's like less product on the brush, so the more higher I blend it, the more softer it gets, because there's not that much on my brush anymore. I really hope that makes sense. So it's just really easy to work and so quick, and I just love how it looks on the eyelid. It just looks so glamorous without putting like a lot of effort. And now I blend that same shade that I used in my crease underneath the lower lash line, and then I mix that light orangey and that more reddish orangey shade together to really blend out the lower lash line and make it as smoky as possible. And now you can see that the color underneath my lower lash line is the same as in my crease. Then now for my mascara, I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Liner, which is one of my favorite mascaras. I feel like I actually have a lot of mascaras which I'm really into. I feel like so many mascaras really make your lower lashes look really nice. But what I noticed about this one is that it really separates the lashes super nicely, and it doesn't make them look clumpy, which I really appreciate. Then now I'm applying some natural fake lashes. I actually feel like these lashes might be a little bit too natural, but the positive thing about this is that you can still really see like the eyeshadows on the eyelids. You can use any lashes that you like when you recreate this look. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoy watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!